Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Here you are seeing is miracle piece of Trivijodi Uttaraksha. It is called Lord Shiva Ganesh Unmukhi Trivijodi Uttaraksha. Lord Shiva Ganesh Unmukhi Trivijodi Uttaraksha. You can see three Uttaraksha attract naturally. In that miraculous, it is having the Unmukhi Uttaraksha with it. So you can see clearly top three holes and bottom 1, 2, 3 holes. And what a miracle is, you can see 7 mukhi and 1 mukhi and 5 mukhi attached naturally. Here 5 mukhi and having 5 seeds inside, and here is a 1 mukhi. You can see clearly the center is 1 mukhi with 1 line and 1 seed inside, and separate hole attached naturally. Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu, Lord Shiva, Trivijodi Uttaraksha. In this Uttaraksha, Lord Shiva is in center. Lord Vishnu, Lord Shiva, and Lord Brahma. Lord Brahma, Lord Shiva, Lord Vishnu, 3 attached naturally. And what a miracle in this Uttaraksha is. See, I will show. First, you can see the clear view of Shivalingam. Clear view of Shivalingam. You can see the Yoni Bonam here, bottom Yoni, and Nagadev. Shivalingam with Nagadev as same in temple, and like it is in the temple, like in the same like in temple. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Beautiful Shivalingam with top Bonam, bottom Yoni, and Nagadev. Beautiful, like same in temple, near the one face. And you can see very clear Lord Ganesh. See here, you can see the very clear Lord Ganesh. Lord Ganesh face, 2 tusks of Lord Ganesh. We know that 1 tusk of Lord Ganesh will be broken. It's same like a broken tusk of Lord Ganesh, and full tusk of Lord Ganesh, and trunk and leg. See how beautiful Lord Ganesh in this Trivijodi Uttaraksha. So both Lord Shiva and Lord Ganesh appear in this Uttaraksha very beautifully. See, very clear image of Lord Ganesh. You can see the face, 2 tusks. You can see clearly. See, 1 trunk is broken, 1 trunk is full. Clear view of Lord Ganesh. Beautiful. And another miracle in this Uttaraksha is, you can see the all weapons and main items of all 3 gods, Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu, and Lord Shiva. See, first you can see Lord Brahma book. Here see clearly, you can see the book of Lord Brahma. See, it is a book of Lord Brahma. Lord Brahma is a creator, and he is a man, a owner of astrology of all our people in the world. See, you can see that clearly Lord Brahma book. It is perfectly open. Clear Lord Brahma book. See how beautiful. It is the main thing of Lord Brahma book. And here comes Tilak of Lord Mahavishnu. See, you can see the Tilak of Lord Mahavishnu. How beautifully from Tilak of Lord Mahavishnu. Tilak of Lord Mahavishnu. How beautiful. And here comes, you can see the Trishul of Lord Shiva. Trishul of Lord Shiva. It's a main weapon, Trishul of Lord Shiva. And you can also see the Om. Here, Om mark. In this Uttaraksha, you can see the many Om marks. You can identify many Om marks in this Uttaraksha. Here one Om. 95 many ohms. So very beautiful miracle piece of collection, Trijodi Uttaraksha, with appearance of Lord Shiva and Lord Ganesh in this. 7 mukhi, 1 mukhi and 5 mukhi attached naturally. Top separate holes, bottom separate holes, and all weapons and main products of 3 gods, Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva. What a wonderful miracle piece of collection. You can never get this piece again, never get this piece again. It's a miracle, impossible collection. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Here, now I am clearly showing the 3 holes. See, very clear 3 hole. I showed by inserting a string on inside. We can very clearly identify the 3 holes. So 3 Uttaraksha join naturally. It is 100% pure. So 3 holes you can see. Top 3 holes, bottom clearly different holes. So you see it is a 5 mukhi, it is a 1 mukhi and 7 mukhi attached naturally. See, the 1 mukhi is very different. This piece is 1 mukhi and separate hole, and 7 mukhi separate hole, and 5 mukhi separate hole. So this attached naturally. So it shows 100%, even 1000% it is a genuine natural Trijodi Uttaraksha. No any doubt on it. I clearly shown the 3 lines. And you see IGL has given certificate. Natural 13 mukhi Trijodi Uttaraksha, 3 Uttaraksha joined naturally. IGL has given certificate, and it is 4.596 grams in weight and 33 mm. Good weight, fully developed bead. It's a fully developed bead and fully developed bead. IGL has given everything in detail, fully developed bead. And now you are going to see the miracle in the Uttaraksha. Let's go inside the miracle. It is a unique collection, impossible collection.